Good morning, SirRyan Ray. This is Ryan. This Max at Loganville Ford. This is the 2008 Avalanche you inquired about. It is in very, very good condition. It got almost brand new tires. Got step bars. Once again, SirRyan, this Max at Loganville Ford. This is the 2008 Chevy Avalanche you inquired about. It is available. Please give me a call. Max at Loganville Ford, 770-554-9994. Don't miss out this nice and clean Avalanche. Like I said, it's in very good condition inside out. Does have a sunroof and drop down entertainment center. Once again, SirRyan, this Max at Loganville Ford. Give me a call, 770-554-9994 about this 2008 Avalanche. Thanks.